welcome back to Lake Math. Right now we're going to do one-step equations. When we're solving one-step equations, they call it a one-step equation because you only need to do one thing in order to solve it. So we need to talk about inverses. The math nerds are going to call it inverses, but really that just means opposite. They do the opposite, they cancel each other out, they undo each other. So multiply and divide cancel each other out. So if something's being multiplied, to undo it, you need to divide. If something's being divided, to undo it, you need to multiply. Same thing for add and subtract. They cancel each other out, they're opposites. Now, in this case, we have 26 equals 8 plus v. Now, sometimes students get confused about which side we need to do things to. So we're trying to undo all the stuff that's happening to the variables. So whatever is happening on the variable side, that's what we're going to try to get rid of. In this case, I'm adding to the variable, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. So we want to do the opposite for each of these things in order to solve it. Now, it's an equation, so that means that x minus 7 might not look like 13, but they're equal. So since they're equal, they're the same thing. So if I want to keep it equal, if I do something to one side, I've got to do the same thing to the other side. Alright, so first, 26 equals 8 plus v. I'm adding 8 to the v, so I need to subtract 8, and subtract 8. 26 minus 8 gives me 18. My equals comes down. My 8's cancel. My v comes down. V is 18. X minus 7 equals 13. I'm subtracting from the 7 here. Or subtracting from the x here. So I need to do the opposite. So I'm going to add 7 and add 7. My x comes down. 7 minus 7 is gone. My equals comes down. 13 plus 7 is 20. Over here I've got 14b equals negative 56. Right here, there's no sign here, but 14b means I'm multiplying. So in order to get rid of this, I need to do the opposite, so I'm going to divide. So I divide this side by 14 and this side by 14. So 14 divided by 14 is just 1. 1 times anything stays the same, so I don't even need to write it. My b comes down. My equals comes down. 56 divided by 14. The negative stays. Now, v divided by 8 equals 2. So I'm dividing here, so to do the opposite, I need to multiply. So I'll multiply this side by 8 and this side by 8. Those cancel. My v comes down. My equals comes down. 2 times 8, 16. So all you have to do is just do the opposite of whatever is happening to the variable side. And then that gets rid of it. At the bottom of the one-step page on my website, there's 3 worksheets you can practice with.